Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Let me show you something wild.
What took you so long to catch up, slowpoke?
Honey, where have you been?
What the hell is going on?
Right now, the entire AI video world is obsessed with face swap, filters, and hub-working character overlays. But honestly, most of them fall apart the moment you move too fast, raise your hands, or try anything more than just a static pose. But today, that changes. Because what Higgsfield just dropped. Higgsfield Recast powered by WAN Animate might be the closest thing we have seen to real full-body identity replacement that actually works. Whatever you have seen now beside me, these are just nothing, but this is what I have done in minutes. I'm talking about postures, tracking, hand stability, micro gestures, voice cloning, even instant background swap. And the crazy part is it takes minutes. As I said, you can do it all from your browser. So in this video, I'm going to show you how it exactly works, how I have created these videos with my video, and I actually swapped this to different characters. At the same time, I'm going to show you how you can do the same in minutes. So let's jump straight in. For creating the video like this, first of all, you could search for it, Higgsfield AI, in any of the search engine. Then it will show you this one. So select this one. Then you will see this interface. I would suggest do sign up and log in from this particular place. At the same time, you'll see a lot of things you can do here. I have created another video for Sora 2 trends on Higgsfield AI. You can watch it from here in the playlist. At the same time, now as we are talking about character Recast Studio, so where you can find it, so you can find it from here. For example, you can see here what are the things you can do, like face swap, character swap, video face swap, then Recast Studio. So you select this one. So this is the main interface. Here you can insert your video. Remember, you can upload a video which is 5 to 15 second motion or scene. Then you can select any character out of it. There are around 30 characters are here. So you can select any character by which you want to swap your face with it. Other than that, if you want to upload any other face you want to swap with, for example, any face you are interested to swap with your voice, with your face at the same time, so you can do it from here. Then you can clone the voice. So based on the character, you can clone the voice with this. You can select the language from here. But for example, you let's say you have spoken in English, you want to change the language to Hindi or Italian with the character, you can select it from here. Then you can select the background. So let me show you one. So let's say I'm uploading one video of mine. So I have uploaded this video. So this video has so once you upload this one, you will see here no audio detected. So this video is just a video with no audio, so that's why they didn't detect any video. That's why this field is disabled. So what you can do, you can upload any characters. You can select any character from here, or you can upload any character. For example, let me upload a character from my desktop. So let's say I have uploaded one character for this one. So I want to change my face with this character. So continue. Then let me select a background. For example, I'm selecting this background. So after that, hit the generate tab and it will start generating. It will show you it is in queue, and generate might takes 5 minutes or so, because you see like this sort of tools are now so busy. So after sometimes you will see in progress. So after that, this video will be ready, and let me show you how the video look like. So your video will look something like this. So look at this one. You can see whatever I did, this particular video which I generated with this Higgsfield AI, it did the same way, same thing. See this, the detailing and everything, the background and everything is literally same. And how you can download that one? So you have created the video from here. Once your video is ready, you can download it. So for downloading this one, you need to go to video and find the video from there, and you see the download option here. So click on this one, it will be downloaded to your desktop. So this way you can download it. Now let me show you another one, which is again with a voice, so which will be much more interesting one. So now let me upload another character, this character, and this time I will upload a video of mine with voice, which is something I have said. So let's say this video. If you have created any video after watching the video, don't forget to tag me. So I have spoken in English, so I want this particular video will be translated with this character in Hindi. So let me select a, for example, a voice first. So I have selected this voice. So I have selected this voice, and now let me select the language in Hindi. So I want this character will translate my voice to Hindi, but everything will be same, but with this face and everything. So now let me select the background and again hit the generate button. So this video is in queue and it will be ready in 5 minutes, it says, but sometimes it takes more times or less. So now my video is ready. So look how it looks. Let me show you how it looks.
अगर आपने इस वीडियो को देखकर कोई वीडियो बनाया है तो मुझे टैग करना ना भूलें.
If you have created any video after watching the video, don't forget to tag me.
अगर आपने इस वीडियो को देखकर कोई वीडियो बनाया है तो मुझे टैग करना ना भूलें.
That's it. With my face, my voice, I have translated everything with the character I have selected, the language I have selected, the background I have selected, and also the voice I have selected in just few clicks. So this is what Higgsfield can do. So this time I'll try, for example, Portuguese, another one, but this time I will swap my face with a female character. So the same video I will play. This time I will select a character, for example, this character. Let me select a voice.
Let's create something that feels real.
Then I will select this time, for example, Portuguese or Italian, okay? Or let's say Turkish. These are the 6 basically the language: English, Hindi, Italian, Portuguese, Russian, and Turkish. So you can select, for example, Turkish. And let's say I'm selecting this background and hit generate. So this will be in queue, and this is how you can create it. So look at this one. If you have created any video after watching the video, don't forget to tag me.
Videoyu izledikten sonra bir video çektiyseniz beni etiketlemeyi unutmayın.
Video generation, they took into another level. Some people will tell you this is scary, but some people will find it very helpful. So obviously I would definitely mention this one, that this sort of tools, you can use it in different way, but use it for a positive purpose. So that's all about the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with somebody who like to create this sort of videos. At the same time, if you have created anything after watching the video, don't forget to tag me in my social media. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you do not miss any of the new video which I will upload in the upcoming days. Thank you so much.